Science-engaged theology is the idea that theologians, almost of all kinds, and indeed it could be of all faiths, though my article focuses on Christianity, should use the local methods and theories and discoveries of the sciences, the empirical disciplines, natural sciences and human sciences, as a resource for their theological reflection. We all know that so-called science and religion have something of a controversial past, and even today, some people still think that these are kind of two separate bodies of knowledge that exist independent or need to be brought into dialogue, or perhaps even are in conflict. But this whole way of setting up how we understand the sciences and theology is deeply unhelpful. Science and religion are, in a sense, created conglomerates of knowledge-seeking enterprises, and they often overlap substantially and more than people today often realize. And so science-engaged theology is a way for people of faith to learn from and integrate the sciences that they use in their everyday life more holistically into their spiritual lives as well as their practical daily lives. Once you've deconstructed the idea of science and religion as two things that are separate from one another, and you've realized that they are a collection of smaller things, it's much easier for us to integrate them into our lives. But there are still questions to be asked here. How do you find the right match when it's not two big things you're looking at, but a whole collection of little things? There are also some pitfalls that we need to avoid when integrating scientific discoveries and methods into our theology. How do we avoid being scientistic and thinking science just has all the answers all the time? How do we avoid some of the mistakes of colonialism in the past, where religion and science actually work together to oppress different peoples and different ways of knowledge around the world? There's definitely still lots of tricky things to work out here, but the overarching principle that we can learn from a whole range of different knowledge-seeking enterprises is basically what science-engaged theology is all about.